How to redeem Spotify gift card. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can redeem your Spotify gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to redeem your Spotify gift card, it's actually quite simple, but the process here is that you are not going to do it from the app because the application does not offer that feature. So instead we're going to open our browser and go to spotify.com and make sure that we are logged into our account. And once we've made sure of that, you have to tap the gear icon located at the top right hand side of the screen and just go to this option right here known as view account and then tap on it. Once you go to the view account section, you will be able to see this type of interface where if you just scroll down a bit further below here, under the payment section, you'll find an option known as redeem. So just make sure to tap the redeem option here. Once you tap on the redeem option over here, you just need to make sure to enter your redeem code and then just verify the I'm not a robot captcha and then tap the continue option over here. And this way you'll be able to redeem your Spotify gift card. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.